Welcome back to the US Auto Insider, the place where innovation meets the road. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the latest updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the all-electric 2026 Kia EV9, a bold and futuristic SUV that's redefining what family vehicles can be in the electric era. The 2026 Kia EV9 isn't just another EV, it's a statement. With its commanding presence, sharp lines, and unique proportions, it brings a modern yet rugged aesthetic that turns heads wherever it goes. Built on Kia's advanced eGMP platform, the EV9 combines luxury, space, and cutting-edge technology with zero emissions, making it one of the most exciting SUVs in the electric market. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, it offers multiple powertrain options. The standard model delivers solid range and performance, but the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant takes things to another level with around 379 horsepower and strong torque for quick acceleration. Kia claims impressive driving ranges depending on configuration, and with ultra-fast DC charging, the EV9 can recharge up to 80% in under 25 minutes, making road trips smooth and worry-free. The exterior design blends futuristic styling with practicality. The distinctive LED lighting signature, boxy silhouette, and flush door handles give it a premium look. Massive wheels and a strong stance make the EV9 look ready for any adventure, while the clean surfaces and aerodynamic elements improve efficiency. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious, high-tech cabin designed for families and tech lovers alike. Kia has maximized interior space thanks to the flat floor, offering 3 rows that can comfortably seat up to 7 passengers. The minimalist dashboard features dual widescreen displays that seamlessly combine infotainment and digital gauges. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and thoughtful storage options elevate the experience. Passengers in the second row enjoy reclining captain's chairs, and the third row remains surprisingly roomy. The EV9 also comes with clever features like rotating second row seats in some trims, making family trips more interactive and comfortable. Safety and driver assistance are top priorities, with Kia's latest suite of advanced systems, including highway driving assist and smart cruise control, giving you confidence on every journey. The 2026 Kia EV9 proves that electric SUVs can be powerful, practical, and stylish all at once. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and road tests, right here on the US Auto Insider.